Visegrad Robotics workshop is led by Lodz University of Technology. We have three partners in Slovakia. This is Slovak University of Technology in Bratislava. In Czech, this is Charles University in Bratislava. And in Belarus, this is Brest University of Technology. And we also have partners, two non-profit organizations in Czech and Slovakia. And altogether we are preparing four workshops in different countries, and we are showing how we teach robotics and how we popularize robotics among the people. And this is the third workshop here in Łódź after Bratislava and Prague.
These kind of skills are skills that cannot be taught with a traditional way. They have to be taught by experimental way and by doing things, by putting people together and reasoning and interacting each other.
When the workshop series started, it was quite basic, and we are growing the advanced level. And the next part will be Belarusia, and we will be doing the neural networks, which is, I think, the most advanced topic in robotics right now. So yeah, it's quite advanced, but not something unachievable.
Yesterday we worked with a small micro-mouse robot, and today we work with big National Instrument robot, and in Belarus we don't have this model, and this is a new experience for us.
Every country is organizing some competitions, not only for university students, but also for the high school students or even younger people. And it was the same in Bratislava and in Prague. And we have a little different approach because we start with the workshop. We are showing participants of the workshop how we teach robotics. And then we have conference, which is about using robotics in education, but in education on any level. So also starting from kindergarten up to the university level.
I conducted a workshop about interactive robots. That is, robots that are cooperating with humans, and robots that humans can interact somehow. So for example, my students learned how to use Kinect sensors, how to use Android phones to connect the robots with themselves, to make them interactable. And students learn how to design solutions that are very intuitive, meaning that many people can use them, for example, children or older people.
I never try using or creating platform for a smartphone. Then it was the first time for me when I have an opportunity to create something like that. So that's the reason why I like it, because I realized that it's totally easy way. In a couple hours you are able to creating application which you can use for a control small robot. Then it's kind of motivating for you.
We have to write a program for smartphones to control this robot. So actually we have to write two programs, but it was easy. We can do it just in one day. So everyone can start programming robots in one day with no prior knowledge of these two languages.
We can learn to work together with other people, exploiting each one its own knowledge and experience and abilities. We learn to match a deadline.
Robotics is so complex discipline that it involves mechanics, electronics, electrical engineering, and also computer science. So I think learning robotics is good to learn any technology at all.